What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. So today it's been a couple months that I rebuilt my wrap for my car, and during that time I installed my splitter and also my diffuser that are carbon fiber. One is from C7, which I'm gonna put a video right now, right here, or story next to it. And the other one, it's a diffuser by Anderson Composites. So this is the diffuser. It's carbon fiber. Had to change the tips, and you'll see the hyperlapse of that install. It's a C28 replica diffuser, and the splitter, I think I'm the only one rocking the splitter. I haven't seen no one installed it on theirs. So here it is, a replica of the the CO1 from the 6th gen, and it's full carbon fiber. It gives it a great aggressive look to it. So it just has 8 screws on the bottom, which you bolt on it, and yeah, I don't know if you can see the bolts, but I just bolted onto it and it's been holding. It's nice. It's a nice splitter. So yeah. So I already took out the diffuser. It was a bitch to take out, especially these clips. This was the hard part. These were easy, and all these were easy. So on the next clip, you'll see when I put the new diffuser on, it looks totally weird seeing it without a diffuser. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to share with your friends, and I'll catch you in the next video.